Hi. Are you? Hi. You're reading your letter from Grandma now, aren't you? Oh, yeah?
Bye.
You say bye.
Bye.
You tell Grandma you're having a snack. What are you having to drink? Oh, gotta read it.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Yeah. Oh. What are you drinking? Is that juice? Yeah, some more snack. As you get done, we're going to go for WALK. We'll go see if we can see the high school band practicing. Because Daddy's stuck in a meeting. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon, and he's in a meeting that started at 9 this morning. Poor Daddy. Can you wave bye-bye and we'll end this?
Bye-bye.
Oh, very good.